folks, this is all the fruit in this tiny little garden made out of pots on the sidewalk in the Weststadt neighborhood of Heidelberg. I found this very strange tomato. I mean, they do have a lot of interesting tomatoes in this garden. Having big tomato collections has become kind of fashionable in Germany in recent times. Here is something with more or less normal looking leaves and very small fruits. There's something that looks, well, let me show a couple of the other tomatoes. So here is a tomato with more or less normal looking, well, no, they are not really normal looking leaves. Those leaves are also a little bit strange. Yeah, they have strange tomatoes here. Here's some sort of berry tomato, but the leaves don't look like berry tomato, like Pimpinellifolium. However, they look a little bit like berry tomatoes. Here's some which look a bit more like normal tomato leaves, right next to another tomato with those big leaflets again. Here again something with very tiny fruits, but yeah, when you look at the fruits, totally looks like berry tomato, but the leaves don't look like Pimpinellifolium. So already those people seem to have an interesting tomato collection here. But this one here, this one is really crazy. Look at it. Here it grows right next to another tomato. Just compare the leaves of the two tomato plants. This one has really big leaflets and this one has very laciniated leaflets. I don't know, well, it cannot be Lycopersicon, it cannot be Pimpinellifolium. Is it maybe, well, there are other wild tomato species, but it doesn't seem to be a wild tomato species because, let's check that here. Those are the fruits from this plant and they are quite big. There is one which is kind of getting ripish. I don't know what the final color will be. Will it stay orangish, brownish, or will it get red? But definitely not the wild small fruited tomato. But a tomato with crazy leaves, look at that. All this thing that's in my hand is one single, no, wait. All this thing that's in my hand is one single leaf. And here again, all this that's in my hand is one single leaf. Here another, one single leaf. So they have not only, like what would you say, first, well, they are not once, they are not divided once but twice. How do you say this? This is in the palms, you get it just with one genus, Caryota, and in those tomatoes, I don't know if it's a mutation or if it's a hybrid with some wild tomato species that has such leaves. Please tell me, folks, what do you think this is? What do you think this tomato is? A mutation or a hybrid or both or something else? Apart from that, stay tuned for a lot more fruit videos from the beautiful and sometimes incredibly fruit-rich city of Heidelberg in Germany. Of course, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.